Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna learn how to transfer any Python script into executable, file, application, so you can double click on it and have it running. Right, my advice is first start with a hello world in a Python script, okay, because when you confirm that is working, then roll with some bigger script. What I'm gonna do as a test here, I'm gonna go to my website, to Turtle, let's say, to 12 lesson, and I'm gonna grab some turtle race source that I was playing around with for YouTube. So I'm gonna grab everything here and let's paste it into this Python file. Turtle_race is a name of file, and this file is in turtle2exe folder. Now what we need to do, we will open our terminal, command prompt, PowerShell, call it whatever you like, and we will just grab this stuff and paste it here because I'm too lazy to navigate manually to this path. So let me delete this part, including file and this quote, and I'm gonna say cd this path because I need to end up here. This is a place where we have where I have turtle race py that I need to convert to executable. So far so good, nothing special. Now the command you need to do if this is your first time converting is to make sure that you do have Pyinstaller. So type this pip install Pyinstaller, and I'm gonna have a couple of lines here because Python is on my side all over the place, so I have requirement already satisfied, and that's cool. Let me clear this. So when I'm sure that I have Pyinstaller, now I can run dedicated instruction. What is a dedicated instruction? It is extremely simple. Just type this Pyinstaller and then space dash and then one file. This is how you're gonna peg your script, even if it's a bigger one, into just one executable. Okay, after that you're gonna say no console. There are multiple parameters here that I can use, but I will just use these two because they produce results I need. Okay, after that we need to state what is the name of file. It is turtle_race .py, including extension. And guys, that's pretty much it. Let's just press enter. And there you go, we have stuff rolling on the screen. This will took us I don't know, 10 seconds or something like that. So let me see what's going on. Okay, so far so good, no errors, and that's pretty much it, guys. So building EXE from blah 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 completed successfully. Now when you run there in this folder, you're gonna see that we have built in dist. Application is in dist. So let's roll that through graphical interface. Where is my... Actually, I'm gonna use idle, open, dist, and let's switch to all files down there, and there you go. There is a turtle race. So to confirm that everything is fine, I'm just gonna copy it to the desktop, okay, right here. Cool, and to make sure, I'm gonna delete distribution and also build. In a build you have a bunch of stuff, but don't worry about that because you already have packed in one file. So safely we can delete that build. Let's delete it. And guys, that's it. Now let's close this Python script and let's double click on this executable because this is really executable. Right click, properties, and there you go, .exe application. So first time when you run this, maybe your antivirus will complain, but generally if you are writing your own source code, then you know what you're doing, so no problems on that side. So double click, let me test that, and in a split, there you go. As I was saying, antiviruses are sometimes complaining, but after that, there you go. First this is a checking, and after that we're gonna have it one more time when Avast allow that to happen. So that's it, that's pretty much it. Close, and again, same stuff, and next time when we run it, everything will be fine. So this is how you transfer Python script to executable, sorry. Let me test that one more time. Double click, and There you go. Simple as that. So let me repeat what you need to do. Let me repeat what you need to do in DOS, whatever. First, make sure that you do pip install Pyinstaller. Okay. There you go. And then just say Pyinstaller, one file, and then no console, and then name of file, and it was what was it, turtle race, I think, .py, and enter, and there you go. I'm creating it again, but no worries, you will see that it is successful many times how you run it. Okay, come on, there you go. Let me check that one more time. File, open, and in dist we are going to search for all files. There is a turtle race. Let's change its name to blah 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 blah. I'm gonna paste it to desktop again, and antivirus will probably complain again, but that's cool. So I can delete this turtle race, I don't need it. Let's click 2 times on the blah blah, and Avast is complaining, that's cool. Let's give it a time. There you go. Operation successful, and I'm gonna get out from here, and one more time after Avast is done. It will be okay, everything. So guys, that's pretty much it. Hopefully you were remembering this. As I said, nothing special, just one very short instruction. Where that thing was, let me find that. So Pyinstaller, little bit of space, -- one file, little bit of space, -- no console, and target Python script. And after this is done, in a dist folder, you're gonna have your executable. That's it. Thank you for watching. See you next one. Ciao.